Welcome to our first episode of The Hour of Power. This is our morning routine for a peaceful and empowered day. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. So as you inhale, you will inhale all the love and the positivity around you. And as you exhale, you will release all the tension and stress in your body. Okay ba yan? So we're done with our breathing exercise. Now we will go through our powerful affirmations. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind into. I am strong, resilient, and confident. Today I embrace positivity and let go of any negativity that no longer serves me. I choose happiness and peace. I am worthy of love, success, and abundance. I attract positive opportunities and experiences into my life. Take a moment to really feel the words deep within you. Believe in their power and let them uplift your spirit. By starting your day with these positive affirmations, you are setting an intention of success and happiness. So as we near the end of our morning routine, let's take one final deep breath together. Inhale. Exhale. Releasing and remaining tension or stress. Congratulations, you've completed your 5-minute morning routine, setting the stage for a peaceful and empowered day. Remember, whenever you need a boost of positivity, go back to this video, come back to this routine at any time. Thank you for joining me on the Hour of Power. I hope you feel energized, centered, and ready to take on whatever comes your day. Have a wonderful day.